Road Trip Desert Stardust Gummies claims to offer mood elevation, stress relief, and even a gentle body buzz. The company also promotes creativity and introspective clarity as part of the experience. In this Road Trip Desert Stardust Gummies review, we'll go through the facts, what the product contains, the suggested dosage, safety warnings, customer reviews, Road Trip Desert Stardust Gummies complaints, and whether the product is legit or a scam. First, the product itself. These gummies come in 8 bold flavors and are made with clean organic ingredients. The listed components include organic tapioca syrup, organic cane sugar, pectin, natural flavors, citric acid, sodium citrate, and fruit and vegetable juice for coloring. The key feature is a proprietary plant-inspired blend. Importantly, the company makes it clear that these gummies do not contain any controlled or banned substances. Next, the claimed benefits. According to the brand, these gummies may help with elevated mood, increased creativity, relaxation, stress relief, and introspective clarity. These are lifestyle benefits, not medical treatments. The company also includes a clear FDA disclaimer at the bottom of their website, stating that their statements have not been evaluated by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, and that the product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Third, the dosage. The suggested starting dose is half a gummy, a low dose is 1 gummy, a moderate dose is 2 to 3 gummies, a high dose is 4 to 5, and a heavy dose is 6 to 8 gummies. The company also states that it may take up to 1 hour for the full effects to appear, so they recommend starting small and increasing slowly if needed. Fourth, the safety warnings. Road Trip Desert Stardust Gummies may cause delayed intoxicating effects or drowsiness, so you should not drive or operate heavy machinery after taking them. The gummies are strictly for adults aged 21 and older. They must be kept out of reach of children and pets. The company warns against using them while pregnant or nursing, and they specifically mention that people taking SSRIs may experience reduced effects. Once again, the product has not been evaluated by the FDA, and by purchasing or consuming it, the customer accepts all risks. Now, let's talk about customer feedback. On the official website, these gummies hold a 4.57 rating. On Amazon, the average rating is even higher, around 4.8 stars. Reviews include comments like very good product, tasty flavors, and effective. They're legit, and even 3 gummies felt surprisingly strong compared to other products. Another reviewer said they eat them daily and enjoy both the flavors and effects. When it comes to Road Trip Desert Stardust Gummies complaints, there are very few major issues reported. Some customers say the effects were milder than expected. Others think the price is on the higher side compared to similar gummies. But overall, there are no widespread scam complaints or reports of fake products. Most verified buyers report positive experiences. So, are Road Trip Desert Stardust Gummies legit or a scam? Based on all the facts, they appear to be legit. They're openly sold on platforms like Amazon, have strong ratings, and the brand is transparent about what's inside and what the product can and cannot do. The positives are organic ingredients, clear labeling, strong customer reviews, and accessible buying options. The negatives are the higher price point, the standard FDA disclaimer, and the possibility that effects vary depending on the individual.